So the Lightning beat the Carolina Hurricanes 5-4, and I asked Tyler Johnson what's been the difference lately, and here's what he had to say.
Found some chemistry with Point and Palat, and things kind of just took off there, getting the confidence, getting everything going, and it's really fun playing with those guys. We're having a blast out there, and hopefully we can just continue to do that, keep building, keep getting better, and just improve every day. Okay, my body still feels really good. I mean, it feels like it's we're having a lot of fun right now, and it's just it's fun hockey.
So the Tampa Bay Lightning start out their homestand by defeating the Carolina Hurricanes 5-4, highlighted by Tyler Johnson's hat trick. The second goal by Johnson should tell you everything you need to know about this Lightning team. Even on their worst night, they find a way to win. On site at Amalie Arena, I'm Peter Blake for Rocket Sports and Entertainment and the Sports Web.